Hey guys, welcome back to another Gundam episode. It's going to be different than the stuff that I've posted before, mainly because I'm going to be looking at a kit that's not so great. RMS 099 Rick Diaz. It was made in 2002, and we're gonna show you how to make this better. Okay, so this is a pretty simple kit. It really is pretty simple. It was a kit made in 2002. It's a really cheap kit. If you can see on the back there. There we go. You can see on the back here that you know, it has the potential to look really good, but like a lot of kits from the late 90s and the really early 2000s, I think 2005 is where kits started really getting good and getting a lot better. So yeah, you can probably see there that you know, it does look really good in the pictures. This is what it looks like in real life. I mean, there's not a lot to it. There's almost no panel lines. And there is a lot of room for making this kit better. So, because this is just a kit, I mean, the plastic seems more brittle than it needs to be. Again, this is a lot of stuff that it's just from the time that it was made. A lot of the, let's see, the nub marks. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see the nub marks on the back of this thing? Look at that. That's just gnarly. I mean, and they're everywhere. So, yeah, the nubs left a lot of marks. Even whenever I took the proper steps to sand them down and try to get them really even and look nice, I did not do any kind of work to this at all, other than trying to sand down the nub marks and just make it a clean, basic, out of the box build. I didn't really go into that with you guys because I really didn't want that to be what this is about. Okay, I wanted to show you where you can take an over 15-year-old $15 kit, and it really isn't great. If you just want a robot on your shelf, go for it. But it's not a great kit. But I want to show you guys how you can use some extra steps and really make a good kit from a not so good kit. And dare I say, even a crappy one. And this one's got a lot of trouble. Like I said, there's not a lot of panel lines. I mean, there's a circle right here on the arm guard. There's some stuff on the larger weapon here, and on the smaller weapons on his back. There's just not there's not enough. I mean, they did a fantastic job with, I think, for the time, doing these little guys on the back. These little hoses and stuff. They've got a lot of good potential here that with maybe a little more design, it could have been great. This is just an intro. It is an A.E.U.G kit, and as we remember, hopefully we remember, the A.E.U.G line is actually kind of the starter line. There are some no-grade Bandai Gundam kits out there, but the A.E.U.G is really kind of where it starts. There are a lot of other things out there as far as grades and types. I'll go through those in a different video for you. So yeah, this is just the intro. We're going to start working on this. If you want to see more about some techniques that I'm going to use and know how to do them yourself, please like, share, subscribe, comment, ask me to build something, ask me to you know, show you how to do something, a technique, a preferred paint set, how to chrome, you know, whatever it is that you want to see. Feel free to comment below, and I'll see you next time.